Drowning in deadlines. This video will show you how to conquer Microsoft Teams assignments like a pro. First, open Microsoft Teams, either through the desktop app or in your web browser. Navigate to the Assignments tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your assigned work lives. You'll see a list of all your assignments. Click on the assignment you need to submit. Now, review the instructions carefully, along with the due date and any resources your teacher has provided. Find the Add Work button, usually located at the bottom of the assignment details, and click it. A window will pop up, letting you choose files from your OneDrive, Teams files, or your computer. Select the file you want to submit. If the file is on your computer, choose Upload from this device. Find your file, select it, and hit Open. Wait for the file to upload completely. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once uploaded, your file will appear under the My Work section. Now, the most important step: click the Turn In button. You should see a fun animation confirming your submission. This means your assignment has been successfully submitted. To confirm, the Turn In button will change to Undo Turn In. This allows you to retrieve your work if needed before the deadline. Remember to submit before the deadline to avoid penalties.